One mistake that can cost you your career, getting your foot in the door with the federal government. You have to think about it. What failing to pay attention to those minute details reflects about your character, who you are as a person, and the characters you type in. When you know that your resume is being scanned by a big, cold, and heartless machine, how is it going to know or even care that the 10 years of experience that you've had in cybersecurity that you spelled inadvertently with an S is in your resume? And it's in there misspelled as a result of your reliance on a word dictionary that you inadvertently said add. That's the type of typo, the simple mistakes that are more common than you think, and it can cost you getting your foot in the door to your career. Even though I highly recommend that you use Resume Builder on USAJOBS.gov, you can still proofread your resume. You simply do it by going into view the resume that you've created, and mind you, the one I told you to make searchable, and read it. You can even print it out and proofread it. My recommendation is that you proofread multiple times. And if you can, put a second set of eyes, not just your glasses, but put a friend's set of eyes on it. A friend, a family member, a niece, a nephew, someone that can help you see what you might not be able to see. And then go back through it again each and every time you make changes. Remember this video? I'm telling you that you want one resume, one big awesomeness of resume that details and reflects you as a person, because you're awesome. By the details that you type in and the wealth of characters that I want you to use, all 5,000 of them, to convey your knowledge, skills, and abilities. Your resume is a showcase of your talents, and I want you to think broadly about your skills that you may obtain throughout your career. And remember, they want and require 10 years of experience, which, yes, I also want you to add your volunteer experience, because those transferable skills do add value. But it won't mean a thing and decreases your value, or in this context, THANG, a thing, if you don't take the time to represent yourself well. It's that simple.